In this video, we're going to be uploading a PDF document to Issuu.com. That's ISSUU.com. And we're logged in right now with the Mind Your Marriage account, promoting the Mind Your Marriage product from ClickBank. I'm going to hover over this avatar here and we can look at our profile. I click there. Whoops, let me try that one more time. There we go. We're going to look at our profile here, and you can see I've uploaded an avatar with the branded image, the name of the account, Mind Your Marriage, a short description here. It may be hard for you to read this, but it says, I've been helping couples reconnect and rekindle the passion they once had for one another. The marriage reconciliation tips you're about to learn will prepare you both for a lifelong love affair. And then, of course, the call to action. Watch the free Save Your Marriage video at http://mindyourmarriage.com. And then down here, we have the actual clickable URL. If I click on that, it will actually load the web page here. It's taking a minute here. So there you go. I'm going to close this up. Let's go ahead and look at editing our profile. By the way, when we click on the profile here, you can see a list of the documents that I've already uploaded here. So I've uploaded 8 documents so far. And we're going to upload another one in this video right now. But if I go up to the avatar and I go to Account Settings, we can look at where you can actually edit the profile. So the display name is Mind Your Marriage. The web address, I just appended Mind Your Marriage to Issuu.com here. And that's basically how someone can get to your Issuu channel. The country, and then the most important thing, the website URL specified here. Here's where I entered in that About Me text with the call to action at the end. And the profile type is set to personal. I recommend you do that. Set it to personal. First name, last name, an email address, all that stuff should be set up. And of course, if you hover over the avatar, you can change the picture and upload your branded image. Let's go ahead and upload a new document. Before we do that, I just want to see sort of where I've left off here. So it looks like the last document that I uploaded was Help My Marriage. That was the keyword. I'm going to click Upload at the top here. And I'll select the file to get started. And let me just navigate here to the Mind Your Marriage content. And I'm going to choose How to Improve Your Marriage. So let's go ahead and grab this guy. That's actually the PowerPoint document. Let me see where the PDF is. Here we go. Okay, that's uploading. Okay, great. Now we're just going to make sure that we include the keyword, How to Improve Your Marriage, in the title. How to improve your marriage. And we'll say step by step. And then, of course, you want to include the keyword in the description. If you want to know how to improve marriage. And then at the end of the description, you always want to have the call to action. Watch the free Save Your Marriage video at, and then the URL. Okay, and you want to check the box down here that says Readers Can Download. There's another box here that says This is a Preview. You want to leave that unchecked. You want to check the box that says Readers Can Download, and then just click Publish Now. And it'll start processing the file. And that's it, it's done. After that, you can tweet it out. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that's been tweeted. If you want, you can add it to Tumblr, Facebook, Google+, any of that stuff. We'll add it to Tumblr real quick. You know, this actually looks like it might be a broken plugin, so I'm not going to share it on Tumblr right now, but in the future you definitely can if you'd like to. That's pretty much it. You can open the publication down here when you're finished. It's just going to take a second to load for the first time here. Let me refresh this. It's taking a minute. It might be processing still. I'm going to go over to my publications. Yep, it's still updating that publication, so it's not loading. But I'll show you one that I uploaded last night. That you can actually view what it looks like. When we click there, we can click open. Okay, and that'll open up. This is actually a PowerPoint type of PDF document. Sometimes you'll have a PDF document that's more like an article format. But the one thing that's important is having the call to action and URL on each page if it's a PowerPoint style. And if it's an article style, of course, have the call to action at the end of the article. This is a clickable link. If we click that, it opens up into the new URL. Let me close that for now. Whoops, sorry about that. Alright, so let's go back. Now, the nice thing about Issuu is it's a community that shares their documents with one another. So you can actually follow other members and actually get followed by other members. And this is sort of where the power lies in driving traffic to your website and building up, a bit of a following. So you can search for keywords like marriage, and you can see all the related documents that are tagged with marriage, and you can follow these people. And so long as you're publishing good content, people will start following you back. And over time, you'll begin to develop traffic this way. Now, one thing that's important to note is Issuu utilizes something called stacks, which is basically where you can kind of categorize or organize your uploads. So if we click on stacks, you'll see I have one stack, the Mind Your Marriage stack here. When you create this account for the first time, you're going to have to create a new stack. And you'll just basically give that stack the name of the product, the brand, or whatever that you're publishing. So I just named this one Mind Your Marriage. And you can add your documents into your stack, basically. So that is pretty much it. How to upload PDF documents to Issuu.com and drive traffic to your website. Over time, this does work well as you begin to develop a following. As you can see, I don't really have anything to show right now because this is a brand new account. But in other videos, I'll definitely show you as impressions begin to build and traffic is built up from this site. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.